Shillong Cricket Association kalayo ra ka nam job ha Lympung Meghalaya Cricket Association under 16 boys inter district tournament 8000% hadi makalayo job kuput da pra wicket persha ekatura district cricket association ha ka jingela kai final kabala long ha jawai ha kasngi palang ka Kynhun natura kala job ya ka jing kenting pisa bat kala jet bantit ningkong ha ka jingela kai one day ya kabala penduna syaka safu ar over shiliang wala ka taru kirang ti jongka kim shim nala banila kai bha ha kabal kila hab lut tang hapo subway point saw over bat kila kamai patang shispa 100 run kat baka Kynhun Sca-B pat kalapen baw kisap ki phong ile ka jongka hadin baklala ban be da ka basuk ya ka nigathong ha ka ba kala yo shispa 100 run bat hab no tang ar wicket hapo ar point ar over ha ka dikasngi lawan management da bonut kindram kilindan ki bakan thup ya UMLE ka jawai ubadiru shongknor ka muda uba wailat mikishla nang tau assistant director jangka director of sports and youth affairs u crew bok pasa u honorary secretary ka MCA u re yanol khar kamni bat ki khot jangka West Janty Hills district cricket association bat kiwe de
Six.
Big step, especially for the district, because in the past we have not had such kind of a tournament. So I think it will really give an encouragement to our youth, to our players who have high interest in playing cricket. I like to place my sincere thank to the AD Sonshala, who is the president of the West Janty Hill District Association. Under his leadership, we can say today this program, it's a great success. And also I would like to thank all the member of the West Janty Hill District Cricket Association for all the hard work have been put in, because we do understand, especially in this rainy season, it's not easy. So really I'm very thankful to all of them for the smooth conduct of this tournament.